Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of frizz, dryness, and stubborn waves that just won't settle, no matter how many products you use? Today, you're going to discover why your hair becomes frizzy and unmanageable, the hidden vitamin deficiencies and internal problems that cause it, one of the most trending tips in the world right now, reverse conditioning, plus a powerful natural hair mask that works like magic to straighten and smooth your hair without heat or chemicals. This knowledge is essential if you want to protect your hair long-term, because healthy, straight, shiny hair isn't just about beauty, it's a sign of inner health. Why hair becomes dry, frizzy, and hard to manage. Before we fix the problem, let's understand it. Frizz and dryness often come from internal issues, like vitamin D3, B12, iron, and biotin deficiencies. When your body lacks these nutrients, your scalp can't produce healthy keratin, and your hair becomes brittle. Add dehydration, hormonal imbalances, and poor diet, and your hair loses its natural smoothness. On the outside, heat styling, harsh shampoos, and pollution strip away natural oils, leaving your cuticles open and frizz-prone. That's why a permanent solution requires both internal care and external remedies. Reverse conditioning, secret to smooth, frizz-free and straight hair. Now let's talk about the hair hack that's gone viral worldwide, reverse conditioning. Here's how it works. Instead of shampoo first, you apply conditioner to your hair, let it sit, and then shampoo. This method protects your strands, locks in moisture, and reduces frizz dramatically. The result? Softer, straighter looking hair with a silky finish. It's quick, easy, and completely free of chemicals, and the best part? You'll see results after the very first wash. Powerful natural remedy, rice flour straightening mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice flour cooked in water on low flame until it forms a smooth gel. Honey 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 tablespoons, 1/2 mashed banana, olive oil 1 tablespoon, aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, vitamin E oil 1 capsule. How to make the hair mask. Start with 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Cook it on low heat with water until it turns into a soft, lump-free gel. Let it cool down. Add 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons yogurt, half a mashed banana, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, and the oil from 1 vitamin E capsule. Blend or mix until you get a creamy, smooth paste. Apply this mask from roots to tips, covering your hair evenly. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash off with a mild shampoo and let your hair dry naturally. Pro tip: make sure your rice gel is smooth and lump-free, otherwise, residue can stay in your hair. Results: this mask deeply conditions, reduces frizz, and makes hair naturally straighter, shinier, and more manageable, without a single drop of heat or chemical treatment. Best oils for straight, smooth hair. To keep your hair sleek between treatments, use oils that mimic your natural sebum. Argan oil for silky shine, jojoba oil for lightweight hydration, and castor oil for strength and thickness. Just a few drops after washing can transform dull hair into glossy strands. Lifestyle and internal care. Straightening starts from the inside. Drink enough water, eat a balanced diet with vitamins A, C, E, and B complex, and consider supplements if your diet lacks them. Remember, when your body is nourished, your hair reflects it. Pro tips for long-lasting results. Always rinse your hair with cold water to seal the cuticles. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to prevent frizz. Use a wide tooth comb instead of a brush. So now you know the root causes of frizz, the most trending tip, reverse conditioning, and a natural mask that truly works. Skip the heat, skip the chemicals, and embrace natural beauty. Which remedy will you try first? Share in the comments, and let your hair shine with health and confidence. Thank you for watching.